Ever wonder how your phone knows which way is up, or how it dims the screen when you hold it to your ear? These everyday marvels are thanks to the unsung heroes inside your device, smartphone sensors. Today we're diving deep into how accelerometers, gyroscopes, LiDAR, and proximity sensors make your smartphone truly smart. First up, the accelerometer. This sensor measures linear acceleration, detecting changes in speed and direction. It's how your phone knows if it's moving forward, backward, or even if its orientation has changed. At its core, it often uses tiny internal weights or piezoelectric effects to sense these movements. When the phone moves, these components shift, generating electrical signals that the phone interprets. Beyond screen rotation, accelerometers are crucial for step counting in fitness apps. They can even detect if your phone is dropped, triggering protective measures. And remember those basic motion-controlled games? That's the accelerometer at work. Next, we have the gyroscope, a sensor that measures angular velocity and rotation. While the accelerometer handles linear motion, the gyroscope tracks twists and turns. It complements the accelerometer, providing a more precise understanding of your phone's orientation in 3D space. This synergy is vital for advanced applications, offering highly accurate tracking. Think enhanced gaming experiences where tilting your phone translates directly to in-game actions. It's also indispensable for virtual reality and augmented reality applications. The gyroscope helps stabilize images in your camera, reducing blur from shaky hands. And it improves navigation systems, providing more accurate heading information, especially indoors. Now, let's talk about LiDAR, or light detection and ranging. This advanced sensor uses lasers to measure distance and create detailed 3D maps of environments. It works by sending out laser pulses and measuring the time it takes for them to return. The faster the return, the closer the object. This creates a precise depth map. LiDAR powers advanced augmented reality experiences like placing virtual furniture in your real room. It also significantly improves depth sensing for stunning portrait mode photography. You'll notice faster autofocus, especially in challenging low-light conditions. And it allows for precise measurement of objects and spaces directly from your phone. Finally, let's explore the proximity sensor. This sensor detects the presence of nearby objects. Crucially, it does this without any physical contact, using light. It typically emits an infrared light and then detects its reflection. When an object is close enough, the reflected light is detected, triggering an action. Its most common use is turning off the screen during phone calls when held to your ear. This prevents accidental touches and saves battery life. Some phones even use it for gesture controls, allowing you to interact without touching the screen. From knowing which way is up to mapping your room in 3D, these sensors are the silent architects of our digital lives. They constantly evolve, promising even more intuitive and immersive experiences in the future. So next time you pick up your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible technology working behind the scenes. Thanks for watching.